इस बार हम लोग फर्स्ट एसी में ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं आपके साथ फर्स्ट एसी का ट्रैवल एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करती हूँ। तो हम लोगों को कूप मिला है एंड इट्स लाइक यू गेट टू स्लीपर इन दैट।
So you get a mirror, get a lot of space to put your luggage, a bottle holder like all other railway compartments, railway seats.
You get a dustbin, you get a couple of space to put your luggage inside as well.
You get stairs to step up above to your bed, and the sizes of the beds are also very large. We had nice sleep, and there are cleaning people coming twice a day to clean your coupe. And you have a beautiful view outside your gate.
Like, share and subscribe, and do let me know your experiences and share your comments. And if you like the video, so please share with your friends and family who are thinking to travel in first AC and share their experiences too. Thank you.